Making a brown butter sauce is easy. Butter is composed of 3 components: water, butterfat, and milk solids. When butter melts and bubbles, the water in the butter begins to evaporate. After the water has evaporated, the milk solids toast in the remaining butterfat, turning brown and giving off a nutty scent. This is brown butter. There's a popular sauce that uses brown butter called a Meuniere sauce. Meuniere means miller's wife. A miller's wife would have access to plenty of flour. Since mills were built on streams, the miller's wife often served fish for dinner and would make a simple sauce to accompany it of browned butter, chopped parsley, and lemon. To make a sole à la Meuniere, first dredge the fish in flour. Then saute in a pan with butter. Remove and keep warm while making the sauce in the same pan. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped herbs, the juice from a half a fresh lemon to perk up the sauce. You can also use a good quality white wine vinegar. Scrape up any pieces of fish and stir well to bring the sauce together. At this point, add a spoonful of capers if you like. Season with salt and pepper. Drizzle the sauce over the warm sole and serve immediately. The miller's wife would be proud.